Hey, what's going on? Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to my dog channel here. You know what? You didn't know my dog. So my dog's name is Louie. Don't know. I am the cameraman for my dog. But here's my dog right here. So, what up, dog fans? Hey, dog fans, what's going on? Welcome back to his channel. If you're new here, I am Anthony. This is Louie. I'm his cameraman for today. I always be his cameraman forever. So wherever he goes, I'm there to help him out. Yes. So he can't record himself. Because he doesn't have no hands. So that's why. So that's why I have hands. That's why I'm the cameraman, helping my dog out. So yeah. So what do I introduce to you my dog, Louie Danger. His YouTube channel, the name of my name is Getting Down with Anthony. I changed the name to Getting Down with Louie. That's his YouTube channel, is Getting Down with Louie. You should look him up, give some likes, and subscribe to his channel. His channel is going to be epic like my channel. My channel is Getting Down with Anthony. So his channel is Getting Down with Louie. It's like the same name, I changed to my name to his name. Yeah, so, what we do? Keep watching Louie. So this is my dog right here. This is my dog, he's taking a walk together. He's peeing right now, we're walking together. We're just walking. I just recorded my dog for you guys. He's a really good dog. He's so lovely. He's a good dog. Good dog for me, good dog for my parents, and a good dog for my friends, for anyone. And good family with our neighbors. Anything, we have neighbors here. So I am the country. I am the cowboy. You know country music. I love country. I know he does too. So we are the country. We are the country duos. Yeah, me and my dog are the country duos. Me and my dog are country duos. I'm a cowboy. I'm a cowboy, and he is the cow dog. The cow dog. You know. I know you're out there, dogs, watching his channel. You should watch his channel. So good. I'm walking my dog. Sorry about that. I have a lot of cars coming by. Don't worry about that stuff. Just worry about my dog. Just get him more likes, more subscribes. He needs to get famous like me. But I'm a halfway there to get fame. Halfway there. I need a lot more. Please subscribe. Please subscribe with my dog and me. Please. With us luck, me and my dog, with us luck to get famous. That's what we need to do. Get famous around at Myrtle Beach. We need to get famous around here. Me and my dog, we have to get famous around here. I want some people to know us. But besides, I have no friends here. Besides, I know, as a lot of stuff going on for me. I know I have 2 friends there. Come on, I need some more friends. But I need to get famous here. That's what I need to do. My friend is going to be famous. To myself. But I'm going to be famous. She's going to get famous too. Let's with us both luck to get us famous. Back on top. Get the #1 on the YouTube. So mine is Getting Down with Anthony, and he is Getting Down with Louie. And we belong in country. We love country music. He does too. Here's my dog, right here. Lou, say hey! Lou, right here. Look up. Yeah, here's our dog. He's my dog. He likes to keep walking. Good boy. So yeah, he likes to walk. Eat, and sleep. That's what he loves to do. Obviously the dog. I know our dogs do that stuff. We don't. We'll sit all night, go on parties all day night. Maybe dogs does that too sometimes. Yeah, you said subscribe to his channel. Yeah, subscribe to his channel and my channel. We just love to get famous. So yeah, just like, subscribe, push the notifications, both for all channels. So push a like and subscribe with his YouTube channel, my dog channel, and do the same thing to mine. Okay, the same thing I said to my dog, same ones to my channel. It's getting down with me. Please subscribe to my dog, subscribe to me. So this is my dog here. We just keep walking. Just know there's more videos coming up soon. I'll put all videos together. Just know that she's walking today, and we don't. So we're doing today. We're just walking. He's gonna eat his food for you. I'm out recording him then. So I might do like record his day. I recorded his day, my day. Which we're going to do. He's walking today. We're walking today. And tonight, we're both going to eat. And we're both going to eat our food. And we're watching a movie. Me and my dog don't you watch Home Alone. Because all parents, my parents, his parents, are going out tonight. They're all having fun, going out with friends, neighbors. Yeah, they're going out with neighbors and friends, whatever they call them. Yeah, they're going out. Just me and my dog. We'll be home alone together, and we watch Home Alone movies. If we're all home alone together. That's a fun day we have together. And I'll be walking. I will show us our meals is gonna look like my meals and his meal. I know his meal is just dog food. My meal is gonna be good. So yeah, just stick around with the part 2 on this channel. Part 2. Part 2 is coming up soon. Just get ready for that. So my name is Anthony. This is Louie. We are out. So subscribe, like, and share anything. Stay out. So stay awesome and beat the brave. Woo! And stay awesome to beat the Louie. Woo! Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to my dog channel again. This is part 2 I was saying about. So this is Louie right here. And here's me right here. Okay, so I'm going to eat now. And he just ate already, my Lulu. So he just ate his dinner already. I'm about to show you what he ate. So, he ate this food right here. This is food. He ate that food. That's his dinner. He ate. So, my food is in here. So, I have this going on. So, this is mine. I'm having, hold on, let me take it out real quick, and put it right here. I got some broccoli, meat, and, yeah, I got broccoli, meat, and what's the word? Rice. I have rice in there. Not that I'm having for dinner. So stick around for part 3. Me and my dog going to watch Home Alone. Okay? Stick around. Okay? Okay. Just stay awesome and be the brave. And the second one is to be stay awesome and beat the dog. Woo. Hello, welcome back for this his channel. So he's laying down here next to me. So like me and my dog right here, we watching Home Alone movies. You should watch this part. This is so funny. So funny to watch. Look at that. See, we are watching Home Alone. This is me and my dog. He's laying down right here. So you should subscribe to his channel and mine. Subscribe to his YouTube channel, Getting Down with Louie. And you should subscribe to my channel, Getting Down with Anthony. You should watch this part. So funny. After ghost. This is the ghost fun. The ghost funny. Here we go.
I don't believe in ghosts. Okay. Oh yes, yeah, nice trick. Yeah, listen, I know you kind of make me believe in ghosts, but you're gonna fail because I do not believe. Who dares enter my domain and not believe?
And he's gonna be drop a present. Go for under the tree.
Ghost? You're just a horrible little boy. No, 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 no!
Here's comes the presents. Yeah, see? Let's see. You have to stay up. Yeah, just so you just subscribe, like, and share. Do his channel, my Lulu, Getting Down with Louie. My channel, Getting Down with Anthony. So you know what to do. Stay awesome and be the brave. Woo! And stay awesome and beat the dog. Woo!